What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I've got another unboxing for you all today. This is one of our newly acquired sponsors, so big shout out to them. Guys, are you all tired of your headlights being yellow and not being able to see at night? Well, I have the perfect solution for you all. It's LasFit. It is the first and last set of aftermarket headlights you all will have to buy and want to buy. So guys, I have the LasFit newly upgraded 2024 LEDs for my 2015 Volkswagen Passat right here. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. And again, big shout out to LasFit for sending these out. I'm so excited to put these in the car. I hope you all are as well. Let's get into it. All right, guys, I hope you all can see this pretty well. I know it's a little weird on the lighting, but guys, I love this packaging. This packaging is so nice and guys, wow. LED lighting, LasFit, here we go. Guys, another great thing about LasFit lighting is that these bulbs come with 1 year warranty included. So guys, you're missing out. These are the H7 LED bulbs. Guys, if you're wondering if they have bulbs for your car, they most likely do. They have bulbs for pretty much every car there is. So guys, go check them out. The link is in the bio. And again, huge shout out to LasFit for sending these out. This video has been a long and waiting, so I'm really excited to get these out. And guys, look at this. They give us gloves. Because guys, when you're touching these bulbs, you do not want to touch the bulbs with your hands because your hands have oils on them. So that is a big thing that you all want to be careful of. Another cool thing is these bulbs fit with the OE factory headlight plug. Guys, check them out. LasFit lighting. You won't want another set of lights, I promise. So let's go ahead and get into installing these lights. So to start this install, we have to take out the old bulbs, which currently I have LEDs in there, but guys, the LEDs I have in there are trash. Just don't even worry about buying LEDs on Amazon. Guys, I promise you when I show you these LEDs, you all will want to only buy LasFit. This is the retainer clip that comes out of the Volkswagen. Here's the bulb. All you do is line up this little notch right here with the notch that is right there. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but we're gonna go ahead and line that up. Fits like a glove. And well, I think that should be it. We're gonna go ahead and install this and we'll see what it looks like. First bulb in there. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but it is in there. We're on to our second bulb now. Let's go. It's the same thing on the left side as it is on the right side. Okay, so the new bulbs are installed. I'm going to show you all on my other car what they would have looked like as far as the halogen versus the LEDs. And guys, just wait. Just hold on and wait. So I'm going to show you all what it looks like in the Beamer first, because this Beamer still has OE headlight bulbs in them. If you all have not seen the new E90 series, guys, you gotta check it out. It is, guys, it's been such a fun process. I've got something big in the works for this one. And you all, guys, if you have not subscribed, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell icon. Gosh, guys, I am just so pumped. I can't even explain how pumped I am to be sharing this experience with you all, as far as buying the car, building it, all the mods we're gonna do to it, just the whole process of this being my first project car. It's absolutely incredible. So guys, subscribe please. It really helps out the channel when you all do. Comment down below what you all want to see for this car. But anyways, back to today's program. We're gonna go check out these headlights and give you all a little from what it was to what it is now on the Volkswagen. So this is the headlights for the Beamer. You know, yellow. Not the best looking. Not a big fan. Not a big fan at all. Leave your comments down below what you all think of the new headlight bulbs on the Volkswagen, because here's first startup of LasFit LED Lighting's 2024 version of their new plug and play headlight bulbs. Here we go. Guys, let me just say, as the camera doesn't even do it justice. Like, I know it's flickering because of the aperture and all that, and the shutter and all that stuff. But guys, we're gonna take it for a little test drive here when it gets darker. I can't thank LasFit enough for sending these out, because this is a big help to me and to my visual, because my windshield is already tinted, so it's already a tiny bit hard to see, but not 100% hard to see. If you all have not checked out LasFit LED automotive lighting, go check them out. I'll leave the link down in the description below, and it's gonna be right here for you all to check out. So guys, do yourselves a favor, spend the extra $1 and upgrade to LasFit LED lighting. We're in the car. It is as dark as much as it's gonna get right now. There's the headlights right there, but guys, they're so much brighter. Such a beautiful sky too. But guys, we just grabbed some Steak and Shake. If you all have not had Steak and Shake yet, guys, what are you all doing? If you're in the Kentucky area, go get yourself some Steak and Shake. But guys, I'm telling you, I know the camera doesn't do it justice at all. If you're looking for a great set of headlight bulbs and you're willing to spend a little bit of extra money, guys, check out LasFit. Again, it's in the description. Please do yourselves a favor. Go check them out. Guys, do you all want a pair of these amazing headlight bulbs? Guys, use code COLDDAILY15 for 15% off your order today. Thank you again for LasFit for helping the boys out and keeping us safe on the road. We'll see you all in the next video.